In this video, we will find the time period of a simple harmonic motion. For a simple harmonic motion, acceleration is equals to minus omega square x, where x is the displacement from the mean position and omega is the angular frequency. We can write acceleration as d2x by dt square, that is second order derivative of x with respect to t. Consider a block of mass m attached with a spring of constant k performing SHM. Let at a displacement x from mean position, the velocity be v. Therefore, the translational kinetic energy of block is half mv square. The potential energy of the stretched spring will be half kx square. The total mechanical energy of the system is conserved. Therefore, derivative of total energy with respect to time is 0. Therefore, d by dt of half mv square plus half kx square equals to 0. We get mv into dv by dt plus kx into dx by dt equals to 0. Put v equals to dx by dt. We get m dx by dt into d by dt of dx by dt plus kx dx by dt equals to 0. We can write d by dt of dx by dt as d2x by dt square, that is second order derivative of x with respect to t. Divide equation by m into dx by dt. We get differential equation for spring block oscillator, that is d2x by dt square plus kx by m equals to 0. We can write it as d2x by dt square equals to minus k by m into x. For simple harmonic motion, d2x by dt square is equals to minus omega square x. On comparing, we get omega square equals to k by m. Therefore, the time period t is equals to 2 pi by omega, which we can write as 2 pi under root of 1 upon omega square. Therefore, t equals to 2 pi under root of m by k. Now we come to our next scenario where we have a solid cylinder attached to a horizontal spring and performing SHM in case of rolling without slipping. The mass of cylinder is m and its radius is r. Therefore, moment of inertia along its longitudinal axis is mr square by 2. In case of rolling motion, the body has translational kinetic energy of half mv square and it also has a rotational kinetic energy of half I omega square. Therefore, the total kinetic energy of the rolling body will be half mv square plus half I omega square, which is equals to half mv square 1 plus I by mr square. We know that the value of moment of inertia for a solid cylinder is I equals to half mr square. Therefore, the total rolling kinetic energy of the body will be half mv square 1 plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 3 by 4 mv square. Therefore, total kinetic energy of the system will be rolling kinetic energy plus potential energy stored in the spring. Since the system is conservative, therefore derivative of total energy with respect to time is 0. That is d by dt of 3 by 4 mv square plus half kx square is equals to 0. On solving this, we get d2x by dt square equals to minus 2k by 3m into x. We can compare this with the equation of SHM, that is d2x by dt square equals to minus omega square x. On comparing this, we can find the time period t as 2 pi under root of 1 upon omega square. Therefore, t equals to 2 pi under root of 3m by 2k. In case of LC oscillation, the differential equation is d2q by dt square plus q by LC equals to 0. Therefore, d2q by dt square equals to minus 1 upon LC into q. This equation is similar to d2x by dt square, which is equals to minus omega square x. We can replace x with q in its place. Therefore, we get d2q upon dt square equals to minus omega square q. On comparing this, we can get omega square equals to 1 upon LC. Therefore, time period t is equals to 2 pi under root of 1 upon omega square. Therefore, t is equals to 2 pi under root of LC. Do check my previous video on how to find the differential equation for an LC oscillator. If you find this video useful, like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching this video.